Now that you have your new Dawn Aroma Humidifier, let me show you how to use it. Yes, this is a humidifier, and it's designed specifically to be used with essential oils. First, take off the water tank. Add 10 to 15 drops of pure essential oil in the base of the humidifier. Fill up the water tank. Place the tank back on the base. The water will flow from that tank into the humidifying mechanism below. And just a little secret, if you want an even more powerful aroma, you can add the oil to the water tank as well as the base. Go ahead and power it on. Also, check this out. The Dawn has night mode. This activates ambient humidity level all night long. I mean, this thing goes for 22 hours straight. If you want to change out the aroma, you'll need to completely empty the water, rinse it, and simply refill it with fresh water. And that's it. Enjoy your new aroma humidifier.